Mason.
I'm watching a movie, and I catch many lightning bugs.
Did you catch them all?
Yep.
You did?
Yep.
Oh, I think you're telling a fib.
I'm not telling a fib.
You're saying that you caught all 6 of those lightning bugs by yourself.
Yep.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Look in the camera and tell us. Are you going to fib to the camera?
Nope.
Okay, then tell the truth.
I'm telling the truth.
Mason Dean Reese.
What?
Try again.
I only catched the one, and my sister catched the one.
How come you only caught one?
Because I was scared they were going to bite me.
Did they bite you?
Nope.
Nope. So now you want to go catch more?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, say see you later.
See you later.
I love you.
I love you.